Taurus, this is your channel messages for the 16th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Taurus, I'm sure we heard the news. When the news aired for the first time, I talked about it because we were ecstatic about this two couple coming together. No, I am so sorry to come back on this channel and say that the couple has split. We're talking about none other than the sexy body Channing Tatum and the most amazing Zoe Kravitz, right? They split up. I hope that the public gives both Channing Tatum and Miss Kravitz some time to themselves because these are both prestigious people. And me not really see nobody had dragged nobody through the dirt yet, to be very honest. I think she said something about lies, little white lies. Kravitz, let me tell you something. You're a black woman. If you date a white man, they're gonna lie to you. You hear? They might not lie to you that they're cheating. Maybe, but me just say, they're not gonna lie to you. So white man stay them lie. I'm not gonna lie if you don't want me to. Sweetheart, let me tell you something. Jamais. I would never lie to you, right? Anyways, so I don't see anything too bad, and I'm sure that Zoe Kravitz would like to move on to our next relationship in peace, and so would Channing Tatum. So we're not here to bring down anybody, point fingers, and see who was right and wrong. What I am here to do, though, is to say that after this breakup, Zoe Kravitz supposed to be in her room singing this. Channing, man, he was. You want to be a stripper boy? I'll show you. I wish that I could fly into the sky so very high, like a dragonfly. Fuck you, Channing. I fly above the trees, over the seas, in all degrees, to anywhere I please. I wanna get away. I wanna fly away. Yeah. Zoe, she wants to get away. Channing Tatum, fly away. Yeah. It's part of my laptop broke off. Okay, so anyways, I know that she's supposed to be venting right now, okay? Nevertheless, I hope Mr. Kravitz got his daughter the way he gave her over to Mr. Channing, okay? As I said, both people are very nice people, and the cleaner the breakup can be, is the faster and the easier people can go ahead and, you know, continue with their lives, okay? So let's just go ahead and go into your reading, all right? Amid this breakup, we are going into your getting over your ex reading. Okay? Good. Okay? Do you think I'm over my ex? I only one man with blood clot claim. Any other man you saw me with, I was fucking. You should know that. You're going around calling me, you call my name with every man in the blood clot community. All when me have 10 man, him I go be 11. Him never ask them for watch up, say for me that me I tell them. All when them say 6 man go there, guess who makes 7? Girl, your pussy still feel tighter than the time me take your maiden. Yeah, even the girl them watch me for your girls them is watching you for him. Anyways, let's see. So tell me, wait, I'm sorry, my thing's flipping. Anywhere I please. Zoe's like, I'm gonna get it anywhere I please. I wanna get away. Daddy, can you fly me to Guam? Yeah. Okay, let's go. What lessons do you need to learn from this breakup? Taurus, we got the Knight of Pentacles. So I don't know if the couple was supposed to eventually produce something as a couple. Now, what you need to learn from this relationship, just because you know somebody for a long period of time does not mean the relationship is going to last. Just because you know somebody for a short period of time, it don't mean it won't last. I'm getting time tells nothing. Time is an illusion. So I'm getting a lot of investments. They never want to let go of this. They could have been talks about buying a house together, entering into a business together. You put down half of the money, me put down half of the money. Me getting those plans are going to have to be put on hold for yet another year. Me getting no money no spend, but it's just that the intention as to what you guys was going to do with this money or with whatever money, it's on hold. So say you didn't want a house and she didn't want a car, when you break up. Nobody not get a house, nobody not get a car. Something like that. Okay, how can you find peace right now? Peace is a 2 of Pentacles. Me getting a peace is money. Me getting this is a money problem, money issue. Something about money can't be accessed. You don't have money. Are you asking him for money? Something has to split down the middle. There's something about money. Were you used for money? Maybe you were used for status. Them use it for your money, for status. So people could say, oh, you're there with she there with you. Yeah, man, come and go book it for our role. Something like that. Because the 2 of Pentacles is gambling to me. Like somebody gamble and say, yeah, man, me can deal with her. Gamble and say, yeah, man, me can deal with her and then left her. I'm going to know after I left her, I'm good. I'll just be friends with her dad, and then when I leave her, the dad will be like, you know, Zoe, that was a really nice guy. And then, yeah, that's cool with me. I'm cool with the dad. I don't know. How can you forgive yourself and your ex? The star card. Now, obviously, Zoe Kravitz is no stranger to the spotlight. You know who the fuck our mother is? You know who our daddy is? Exactly. Now, how can you forgive yourself? Me getting something about the spotlight. Either somebody wanted you to walk away from fame, or me getting because you're not fame. Me getting you're not working in the industry, but the industry know your name because of your mom and dad. And they blame you because your mother and father meet, decide to love each other, have sex and have you. It's your fault. You're a nepo baby. It's your fault. It's your fault that your parents fall in love and have sex and have you. It's your fault your mother never terminated the pregnancy and she never left your father or drink away the fucking egg, right? It's your fault. Me getting everybody know you. You don't live for one finger in a Hollywood, everybody know your name. Maybe that was the expectation somebody couldn't live up towards. Because the one thing to be with a black girl. Oh, she's just a black girl? Okay, I just know she ain't white. That's all I know. Now when you're there with a black girl that is of prestige, yeah, it's worse than being with a white man of prestige. Let me tell you that. We can always talk about the relationships and not talk about, oh my God, is it okay if she's dating a white guy? Oh my God, is it okay if he's dating a black girl? I'm gonna tell you something. You don't know embarrassment until you dated a black prestigious family. They will embarrass you. You could have white, you could have Chinese, you could have blood clot, come from the middle fucking eastern of, when I grow up, I will join the army and save Pakistan. Oh, army boy, Pakistan, wow, right? You could have come from blood clot, Middle East. You will not be treated equally to a prestigious black family. And that's what happened. You might have thought you were just dating a black girl. And her parents going to be like, oh, she dating a white guy. Okay, cool. You never know who the fuck the family is. It's even worse when you date into a prestigious black family. May I tell you. That don't lick you harder than when you're dating a prestigious white family. Because all they can do is smile and play a hypocrite and then will think you like them in the white family. When you're there with a prestigious, you just say why Barack Obama have our daughter them under blood clot lock and key. You don't know that? You don't know that the Barack daughters are under lock and key? You don't know this? You want star. So how can you forgive yourself and your ex? Maybe somebody was running down stardom, you weren't. And maybe all of this is going to be blasting social media, yes, because you're important and people want to know the next time you're... When will you be ready for your next relationship though, Taurus? Me getting the 2 of Wands. Me getting you're gonna be ready in 2 months or 2 years, or me getting you already have 2-man lineup. The men does not come from the country you're living in, so I'm getting you're going on vacations to meet these men. So I'm getting 2 months, 2 weeks. And how can you prepare for your next relationship? The Queen of Wands. Now me getting you put on religious attire. Me getting in America, I saw you look. But me getting you go travel and go somewhere. Where you're traveling to go, you're gonna look like this. So me getting your next relationship, the man don't come from where you come from. I'm actually getting someone's Middle Eastern. Me getting somebody come from the desert. Hot climate. The climate hot, the skin melanated. Me don't know how the hair stay. It could have puffy or it could have curly. Maybe your last relationship, your man wanted you to be the sex. It was all about being a sex icon. It's all about the sex. It's all about the fashionist. Who you with? Where you at the party? What you wear? Me getting this time you want to be treated like a queen. Not like every man's fucking dessert. Or I'm just saying, like, both of these people value went up. Zoe value go up after dating Channing value go up after dating she. But I can tell you, sometimes they think it's easy for date black girl. Oh, black girl? Oh yeah. It's the same as normal girls. No, the fuck we're not. Who keep telling you that? Who keep telling you that? She's the same as... No, we're not. We're not the same. Yes, that's why black man don't want to deal with me either. We're not the same. We're not the blood clot. Yes, black man never deal with full woman. We're not the same. So anybody saying, oh, I want to date a black girl, or I want to date an Asian girl, or an Indian girl, or a Chinese girl, they're all the same women. They're not the same women. We don't know who I tell you that. Who's telling you this? I don't know who. But whoever is telling you this, they're giving you false information. The information has not been validated properly. And your wholeness, we need a change. Yes, sir. The girls are selling the prices of the pum pum too high down here in the community and the whole this. Sir, I understand your concern, sir, and I understand what you're trying to say, but we're just asking if you could take me to the side and talk about this in private, sir. And your wholeness, we cannot. It is a matter that is affecting the community as we speak. We need a decrease in inflation on the pum down here in the community. The prices are too high, okay? So yeah. We have Bright Future. We got the Hierophant, Exacto, Ma. Bright Future and the Hierophant. We also have the World card. We have them all. And we have Shark. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.